All right, ladies, I'm going to work number 17 out and see if I can help you with your simplification. And I just realized that you can do different colored backgrounds here. That's cool. So f prime of t, we're using product rule, and then we end up using chain rule inside product rule. So first factor, and then to find the derivative of the second factor, we have to apply chain rule. So I'm going to put chain rule in brackets here. So derivative of the outside, we leave the inside alone, times the derivative of the inside. Okay, plus the second factor times the derivative of the first. Okay, and I'm going to peek at what their solution is. Okay, so the version of the derivative that they have written down is a product. So 5 times the quantity 13t cubed plus 3 times t cubed plus 3 cubed. Okay, so we have a sum of two products right now, so why don't we multiply out this first product, and I'm already seeing that both products have a 5 that we'll be able to factor out. So maybe I should just factor that 5 out now. Yeah, I'm going to factor the 5 out now. Okay, so then this first product, after factoring the 5 out, will become 12t cubed times t cubed plus 3 cubed. Oops. And then since I've factored the 5 out of that second product, that's going to just be t cubed plus 3 to the 4th power. Now notice inside the brackets here, we have a sum of what you could think of as two products, right? And the greatest common factor of the two products would be t cubed plus 3 raised to the 3rd power, right? Since this is to the 4th, you could always think, here, I'll just write it out. So 12t cubed times t cubed plus 3 cubed. You could always think of t cubed plus 3 to the 4th power as t cubed plus 3 times t cubed plus 3 to the 3rd power. Where then I'm not expecting you to write out this step, but I'm just showing you that t cubed plus 3 cubed is a common factor that can be factored out. I'm going to peek at the solution again. Okay, that's a good sign. And then we are left with, in the brackets, 12t cubed plus t cubed plus 3. And then if we combine like terms here, that's where we get the 13t cubed. Oops. And just to match it to the textbook, I'm going to flip the factors by the commutative property of multiplication. I'm allowed to switch them. And there we are. We have matched the textbook.